Okay, today we are going to talk about ICICI Bank Limited. Okay, this is the ICICI Bank Limited daily chart. Did you got any patterns here? Yeah. Okay, what is the this? This is the one of the good resistance. Okay, we can also draw with this line. Okay, you can got this point here. This is the good resistance on daily chart. Okay, so I can draw that daily chart resistance. Normally we use for the daily chart resistance line, blue line. So I draw this blue line. Okay, this is the one of the good resistant, and the another support. This is the I am also using this word resistant. This is resistant for the current market. This is the resistant for the support for the current market. Okay, nearly here. Right, it's a good resistance. Okay, you got my points right. Let's here. So this is the resistance, so this is the supply zone. So I draw this supply zone. Sometimes we need to confirm that market movement above this breakout or between this two resistance and support line. Okay, let's go to for the chart analyze. Right. Okay, in the current situation this is a market in here, but this is the resistance here. This is the resistance supply zone also I drawn here. Okay, and I am also drawn the one of the trend line. Okay, I am also drawn because this is the first touch, this is the second touch. So I drawn these two. So I drawn these two trend lines. Okay. Right. So this is a one touch and second touch. So next this market can go down and again touch and again turn or something. Okay. So but after this touch this market is going on up but can't come down. Why? This is the also the played one more trend line here. So this market need to break this trend line. After this can go down here. Okay, this is the most possible chance. Okay, so you need to wait for the breakout on this internal trend line. Okay, how can you confirm this breakout? On Monday or Tuesday the next week, you can go for the 1 hour chart. It's a good explanation, right? It's a current market. So the current market can go down, after again go up. Normally this is the one swing normally happen like this. Okay, go down, go up and down like this. So I draw that upside after going down. Okay, this time you can confirm this is breakout because this is the low, again lower high, and after break this previous lower high. Okay, this is a lower low, so this is the good breakout. So you can get the target here. Okay, don't worry, this is the good. Okay, did you got this point? Right. After the breakout, this market also easily going down. Okay, is the normally the easy way to trade. Sometimes is a resistance also. Sometimes this market no need to come down. Sometimes this market can go up. Okay, go to this previous resistance and after this can go run after the breakout. like this also can play this market. Okay, because market can play anyway, so you need to wait for the every confirmation. The breakout, you need to break this supply zone, after you can go for the entry. This is the correct way of trade. Okay, and previously you got any formations? Yeah, I need to explain to you. Okay, so one thing is this, the rally down. Okay, the one line after. Okay, this is the one of formation of flag pattern. If you got this flag pattern, this is the one of the flag pattern. So this is the breakout area, and after you can go for the target here. Okay, it's a breakout area. You can wait for the confirmation. How can you go for the confirmation? You have to go to the 1 hour chart, and after this is the that line. So after this breakout, again you can see this market is coming down again. It's a good breakout. Okay, did you, because it's a low high, low. It's a formation of breakouts. Okay, so you can get with this breakouts, and you can easy way to get the profits. Okay, but wait for the market movement, and after you can go for the trade. Sometimes also market can break this line, and so the type of ways of breakouts and trades. Okay, you have to wait for the market. These are the types of movement in the current situation, the current formation, uh, support and resistance lines, and trend line. I am also drawn trend line, and after these two touches, this is the formation of, what is this, ascending triangle. It's a formation of ascending triangle. After this is the formation of ascending. After you can go for the trade with the breakout upper side. So sometimes this is the break this trend line also downside. So you can go for the trade in two types. So you need to wait and see the market like a patient. After you can go for the entry. Okay, thank you.